Court has just issued its judgment on a petition filed by the Goa Foundation for setting up a tiger reserve in Goa. And the High Court has directed the state government to notify a tiger reserve for Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary and the surrounding areas as per a proposal it had given to the Forest Department had prepared to notify it within 3 months. Secondly, it has asked the state government to prepare a tiger conservation plan within 3 months and send it to the National Tiger Conservation Authority for approval. Then it has directed the National Tiger Conservation Authority to approve the plan and complete all formalities at the earliest. Fourthly, it has directed the state government to set up anti-poaching camps at specific areas, various areas which it requires to be set up in the sanctuaries. Fifthly, it has directed the state government to settle the rights of the forest dwellers within a period of 1 year maximum. And finally, it has directed the state government to see that there are no encroachments into the forest areas where the tiger reserve is to be set up. All these directions mean that within a period of 1 year or perhaps earlier, Goa should be having a tiger reserve set up, because the Forest Department had prepared a plan for all 4 sanctuaries, that is Mhadei, Mhadei, Netrawali and Kotigaon, all the 4 areas to be declared as part of the tiger reserve. But the good news is that for now at least, it is very clear that the High Court has found that it is necessary to set up a tiger reserve for Goa. And this is because the National Tiger Conservation Authority, when it visited Goa in 2020, after the death of 4 tigers in Goa, had made very strong remarks against the protection in wildlife sanctuaries that the Goa government was giving to wild animals. And it had strongly recommended a tiger reserve for Goa. I think that is what weighed with the court. And we are very happy that the High Court has granted us relief in the petition which we filed in 2020 after the death of the 4 tigers.